Inbox 0, Marie Kondo your tools, declutter your that. Yeah, but I'm lazy. We had a user tell us that they don't join any new tool that requires them to build discipline just to use that tool. And we fucking agree with them. I mean, what's the point of creating work for yourself anyway? Who has the time? I'm Ray, by the way, the marketing and communications manager at BookFusion. You'll see me around the Reddit server and in Discord, and I am an avid user of BookFusion. I was a BookFusion user before I became the marketing manager. So to do a complex query, we're going to access our bookshelf from web, and then here on our home bookshelf, to do a regular search, you can just type in something here, and then for a more complex query like what we want to do today, we click on this little icon to open up smart queries. Now, if you know the syntax and you're a more power user, a more technical user, then you can go ahead and type in a complex query at the top right here. The link for all of the syntax and different options and stuff that you can use in these smart queries is in the description down below. But if you're a layman like me, then we're gonna use the visual options here to create the query. So let's say we are learning about AI. We have a web extension in beta right now. So one of the things I'd love to do is be able to see all the articles that I have saved that mention AI. So what we can do is select type, and then we can select article. We can add filter, and then we can say summary contains, or it doesn't contain, or is empty, and we can put AI. Confirm. So then, all the articles that I've saved that in the summary contains AI will be right there. And then I was thinking, I'm a polyglot, so you could even do this for different languages. So you could have subject-specific queries in different languages, or maybe you want to make a query for articles that don't have tags or books. Let's get rid of summary. Let's add one for tags. Tags is empty and is added later than 10 days ago. So the purpose of this query would be to see if you are a power reader who adds a lot of books and a lot of articles fast, and you want to keep up with your tagging, your organization system. Perhaps you want to see what you've recently added and what hasn't been properly tagged or sorted yet. So we can make a query like that. So let's see if there's anything like that. No, looks like I'm up to date on my tagging. As you can tell, the possibilities are really endless. On our blog, we have a detailed explanation on what you can do with queries and even how it goes into shelves. So if you can't wait for the next video, then you can go ahead and check out this blog post and also the syntax and documentation articles that will be in the description below. And that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed another short mini tutorial. I hope to make more time to make these more often. I did see some requests in the Reddit server, like, come on, you just started YouTube and then you just left it like that. Definitely we'll have more content for you soon. If you have any ideas for things that we should do on social media overall, I'd love to hear from you guys. Leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll see you in the next video where we talk about shelves.